Hey everyone, in today's video we are talking all about LinkedIn. By the end of this video, you will have 5 tips that you could use on your LinkedIn profile to 10x your views, engagement, and connections. Let's get started. But first, for all the guidance you need to get hired, subscribe to my channel. I post weekly content that will help you along every step on your journey towards landing your dream job. Click the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Every job seeker and professional needs to be on LinkedIn. I'll say that again. Every job seeker and professional needs to be on LinkedIn. It is such a powerful platform. In my career coaching, one of the services that I offer is LinkedIn optimization. I have seen the results that it delivers for my clients when they have fully optimized, fully enhanced LinkedIn profiles. And I want to show you how to do the same. LinkedIn is a powerful resource for professional networking and career opportunities. You could do so much on that platform. You can build your professional connections and networks. You could share your past and previous work experience as well as your education and skills. It's an opportunity for you to find jobs and also connect to new opportunities. I mean, the opportunities on this platform are endless. Let's talk numbers. At the time of this video, LinkedIn has about 700 million users. About 77% of recruiters utilize LinkedIn to find candidates. And there are over 30 million companies listed on the platform. Big numbers, and I'm telling you, they are ever growing. That means that if you are a job seeker and you do not have a LinkedIn profile, you are excluding yourself from a myriad of opportunities. So now is the time to get on. Before we get into the 5 steps to building an outstanding LinkedIn profile, let me know in the comments below if you currently have a LinkedIn profile and how often you engage on the platform. I'd love to know. Okay, let's get straight into it. 5 LinkedIn profile tips. How to build an outstanding LinkedIn profile. Number 1, have a goal in mind. Are you looking for a new job opportunity? Or looking to build your recognition as a thought leader in your industry? Or simply looking to expand your professional network? Whatever that goal is, make sure that you have it clearly in your mind before you start optimizing or even building your profile. Everything that you do from here on out should be aligned to that main goal. Number 2, a catchy headline. Your headline is one of the first things that people see when they come across your profile, and thus it is one of the most important aspects. You want to make sure that your headline distinguishes you, but also relates back to your original goal. Think about how many Sally Mays or Robert Johnsons exist on LinkedIn. With over 700 million users, you need to be able to distinguish yourself and to stand out. Your LinkedIn headline is a great way to do this. My formula for creating an outstanding LinkedIn headline is as follows. Your job title or target job title, your specialization or a goal you have in mind, and lastly, a passion of yours or a life motto. Again, it's the target job title or your current job title, your specialization or the goal of your profile, and lastly, a passion or life motto that you have. Here is an example from my LinkedIn profile, and if you are a job seeker, you could use these examples. For my profile, I have my job title, my specialization, and my passion. Founder of Hired Institute, career strategist and coach, global advocate for women and girls. And for job seekers, you can use your target job title, your career goal, and a passion. Business analyst, MBA candidate May 2020, seeking full-time opportunity, youth advocate. Number 3, a succulent summary. Your headline was the appetizer to your profile, and the summary is the main course. A summary helps you further break down the goal or objective of your profile. This is a chance for you to elaborate on your professional experience, your key skills and achievements, and ultimately why you are passionate about the work that you do or the work you would like to get into. When writing your summary, you can think of the following questions. What do you do and what do you want people to know about you? Why do you do it, or why are you interested in that career or industry? How do you do what you do? And lastly, what have you achieved or accomplished? You want to use a combination of paragraphs and bulleted lists to break out your text and to add more depth. Think of this as telling your story. So keep it conversational. Write like you speak. You want to optimize your profile with as many keywords related to your career or your industry as possible. Keywords really help to make your profile stand out. Number 4, reflect your resume. I like to view LinkedIn profiles as your virtual or online resume. As a result, it is important that you include your work history or your past work experience, education, your accomplishments, any projects that you've worked on, key skills, and also recommendations that you've received. Recommendations are a great way to speak on your character as well as the value you offer in your work. So feel free to reach out to past classmates, teammates, professors, supervisors, managers, and ask them for recommendations. They will really help to enhance your profile. Number 5, a call to action. Remember the goal that we spoke about initially in step 1? Now is a good time to tie it all together with a call to action that you will put at the end of your summary or about section. This call to action is telling people what action steps you want them to take after viewing your profile. Here are some examples of awesome call to actions. Connect with me if you want to chat about the current real estate market in Miami. If you are looking to create an app for your business, I'm your guy. Let's get in touch. If you are seeking a fast learning, curious, results-oriented summer intern, let's get in contact. Be sure to include a call to action at the end of your summary or about section to tie your whole profile together. Those were my 5 tips to an outstanding LinkedIn profile, but I have some bonus tips. Of course, you want to include a professional headshot and a cover image. If you include a headshot, you are 7 times more likely to appear in searches in the LinkedIn platform. So most definitely make sure that you have an awesome headshot. Make sure that you build your connections by connecting first with people that you know, people that are in your immediate circle, and then branching out. Also, keywords are key, as I mentioned, but avoid using overly used buzzwords that often come up in resumes and on LinkedIn profiles. Use unique, career-centered, industry-driven keywords to really boost your profile. So let's recap. 5 LinkedIn profile tips. How to build an outstanding LinkedIn profile. Number 1, you must have a goal in mind. 2, add a catchy headline. 3, make a succulent summary. 4, reflect your resume. And 5, add a call to action. Okay, so that was a lot of information, but I have good news. I have created a free guide, the 5 steps to an outstanding LinkedIn profile, plus a checklist so you can make sure that you hit every target when you are creating and optimizing your LinkedIn profile. To receive this free downloadable, click the link that is in the description of this video and I will send it directly to you. If you found this video useful, give it a like, comment below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow job seekers or somebody that needs to update their LinkedIn profile. Of course, subscribe to my channel for similar content that I post weekly, and I will see you next time.